Hi everyone, welcome to Draftsman Studio, place to ignite your creativity. Today we are going to do an elephant folk art painting using acrylic paint on a wooden board. I am using my kid's waste puzzle piece for it. Yes, it is art from waste. Draw or paint an elephant on paper, then cut it out and trace it instead of drawing directly on a wood. That would be an easy procedure. For details, I am drawing directly on the wood. According to your imagination, we can decorate the elephant with different patterns. Instead of elephant, you can also try to draw fish, any other animal, birds. That will be really nice for folk painting. If you'd like to know what are the materials I am using here, please check out the description box. Make sure the details gives more traditional look. Now let's get started with painting. Since it's folk art, we will be using bright colors. I am just showing you the color of the water. Same way I filled background with yellow ochre, then started painting elephant's decorative portions with multiple colors. Then I am using metallic gold to enhance the look. Then I decided to finish the borders with magenta and blue with some traditional patterns. Finishing it off with black outline with the help of Sharpie pen. This is the final output. If you like Draftsman Studio, please share, subscribe and like.